day. You know Tiff is not good at intros. Okay. Hi guys, today we're back. David is going back to school. David's my husband. He's going back to school on Monday. Tonight we're doing a date night. And my best friend Taylor left her wand here with the... Taylor's probably going to be mentioned in every video because she's like my wife. Anyways, my best friend left this wand here. She just got it. It looks like TJ Maxx, 19 bucks. Absolute Heat Pro Ion Series. And I usually just normally use one like this, and I'm gonna try hers out that has the little barrel like this. So stay tuned, and we're gonna do a little hair tutorial. My hair did kind of air dry on me, but it's still pretty wet down here. I don't know if you guys can tell. I'm gonna use my hot tools. This is an Ion Heat. It's supposed to be an express blow dryer. I don't think it makes the time quicker and blow drying my hair because it's very thick. Even though I have an undercut, my hair is very, very thick. But I do think it does a very good job at making it sleek and silky. So stay tuned. Watch and find out how this goes. Okay? Okay. Okay. Date nights. Keep watching. Alright guys, so I'm all done blow drying my hair. Like I said, it was quick because I let it kind of air dry. I wanted to mention, because I'm about to mention the products I'm going to use from here on out, I wanted to mention that I did spray right out of the shower. I used this JS Hair I'm gonna give up. But it's the JS Hair Care. I'm gonna leave the link down below because I've actually been obsessed with these products. So I've been obsessed with these hair care products for at least 4 years. He is local to the Warren, Ohio area. He works in the salon area as well. He makes these products. They're sulfate free with, I believe every product has argan oil in it. Every one that I use anyways. It's not sticky, it's not tacky, it's not too much oil for my hair. Too much oil really freaks me out. This stuff has never been that way. I use a Damage Defense leave-in conditioner as soon as I'm out of the shower. So I sprayed this on. Again, I'm gonna link these products down below. I do not have a product code. I don't know him, not my hairstylist. He never asked me to do this video. I just am obsessed with these products. You can ask my girlfriends. I know, like, girlfriends, if you're watching this, comment down below so people believe us. All obsessed and in love with his products. Right now I'm gonna put on this smoothing glaze. It's a straightening balm because I am gonna straighten before I curl. I have too much frizz to go straight from blow drying to curling with a wand. Therefore, that is why you're gonna see me go in with the straightener and then we'll curl to give our hair some waves. So I'm gonna go in with this glaze. It kind of comes out like this. And I'm gonna really put it into my hands first. I go underneath because it doesn't matter if you get too much product underneath your hair. And then I move to the top. Sometimes I'll use this before blow drying. Sometimes I do it after. I've realized that either way works. Normally if it's wet, you don't get any clumps. If that makes sense, you won't get any buildup of product in your hair if you do it before you blow dry. So you just have to be a little bit more careful if you're doing it on dry hair. Where is my brush? Yo! Found it. I'm brushing it through. Another thing, make sure you brush the product through. Again, you don't want buildup or else it's gonna be kind of greasy, and that's not the product's fault. It's just because how you applied it. I'm getting a call. Like I said before, I am gonna go in and straighten my hair before I wand it to give myself waves because I do have a lot of frizz. So I'm gonna go in with my TJ Maxx Baby Bliss Pro straightener. We're gonna straighten it up. I'm gonna be sloppy. I'm not gonna very precise. It's not really gonna matter because like I said, we're gonna go over it with the wand. Okay. Separate it here. I get a good feeling. I get a feeling that I never during the antelope roam. Larger chunks of hair, that's fine, because we're gonna wand it. Back, I just finished up. Can you guys see the shine? Or not, but this product, the product is meant obviously because it has argan oil, and I see on the directions it says to apply to damp hair, so that's definitely the correct way. However, as you guys can see, I don't have any oily spots or nothing, and I did it dry. Normally I do it wet. Last but not least, I'm going to put in this lightweight glossing spray. Be used on wet hair to smooth, defrizz, and speed up blow drying, or dry hair for long-lasting shine to complete any look. Now, I don't trust any of these nozzles. You could, but it might get clumpy. Maybe on wet hair you could use the sprayer, but I'm going to, they all kind of look the same. I'm going to link the website and you can go. Every product is under $20. It's unreal. So affordable, I cannot get over it, and I'm gonna keep telling you guys about it. So I have quite a handful, believe it or not. And just lightly grazing, just lightly grazing, just lightly grazing, and the ends are where we really want to hit for that all over glossy shine. A bit more. And this is just gonna, this like oily gloss is just going to hold in all those baby hairs and breakage around the face. And it's really going to bring the hair all together. Our hair half up, and now the fun begins. So we're gonna give ourselves waves, okay? A lot of people are doing wanding one way and then the next strand wanding the opposite. What that does is that gives you a lot of volume. My hair already has volume, and I like a little bit more of a sleek look, so when I brush it, all my curves and waves wave together. I always wrap around so it's going away from my face. And I always leave half an inch out. I'm gonna hold it there. Okay, okay, okay. Can you guys see? I guess I'm wearing a black shirt. You guys probably can't see my hair very well. I'm gonna change. I'm gonna change so that you guys can see it. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It was on there a couple minutes or a couple seconds before. I'm going to change my shirt. I'm gonna put a couple more curls in. We'll do the top together. Hold my curls for about 12 seconds. Again, it's just some waves. Like today is just relaxing date night. I'm not gonna do full glam. I'll show you what I'm gonna do. This is my everyday light makeup. We're spraying. And you're gonna find loose strands that snuck away from you, and we're gonna get them. We are not touching the curls until we are done, and we are ready to just spritz them up. I'm gonna do a little bit more shine. We are gonna go in with our contour kit. Cooler tones. No, I love to contour my double. Ew, I had like a mascara chunk. And I'm gonna go in with the same contour with those same colors, and I'm going to, this is not even putting on like shadow. What this does is it pretty much just contours your eyelids so that you don't have to do eyeshadow. And I've been wearing this makeup all day to the store. We went and got tires, etc. And if we just want to add just a little bit more contour if we want to just add a little bit more contour to the eye, we will take this white. This is a palette I got in my Boxy Charm. This is just gonna open up our eyes. It's gonna make it look like your eyes look brighter, but you're not wearing a crap ton of makeup. Throw on some of this Tarte blush, and we are going to just make sure we have a nice fresh coat of mascara. We have a Marc Jacobs travel size. Now I'm going to go and change my shirt, get into fix up my hair so that you guys can see the final look. So I hope my camera is in focus. This is the final look. And it does have some hairspray, so it is a little firm. But especially tomorrow, this hairstyle is going to be on fleek. Buff it up. You still see some frizz. That's fine. A lot less frizzier than my natural hair. This should stay a couple days. I just want to say thank you again so much for everyone who watches my videos and supports me. I love doing this. It's my hobby. So we're just gonna keep on keeping on, peeps. 2019, here we come! I use the Shine Mist with argan oil, Damage Defense right out of the shower. This is every time I shower, Damage Defense leave-in conditioner with argan oil, and my Smoothing Glaze Straightening Balm with argan oil to just give me that extra maximum shine. Prevents my breakage and split ends. Heat protectant. It's kind of like heat protectant. So again, this is how I achieve this look, the products that I use on a daily basis though. That's all I've got. I really need to end this video. Thanks for watching.